Hello, we are back for Summer School 2020, Day 10. We are going to start out Day 10 with some fact families. Here are our directions. Use each fact family to write 2 addition and 2 subtraction number sentences. You are so good at these, I don't think we're going to have any problems at all. Number 1, we have the numbers 6, 7, and 13. We're going to use these 3 numbers and make 4 number sentences, 2 addition, 2 subtraction, by just moving the numbers around. For the addition problems, does our biggest number go first, second, or last? Well, first let's see what our biggest number is. Is it 6, 7, or 13? It's 13. Where does the 13 go? First, middle, or last? It goes last. Now I can put the 6 and the 7 in either place. So there we go, our first number sentence, 6 plus 7 equals 13. Great. Next one, we have another addition problem. So our biggest number, 13, goes last. And we just need to switch the 6 and the 7 around. So this time 7 goes first, and then 6. 7 plus 6 equals 13. Next one is a subtraction problem. So where does our biggest number go for subtraction? Does it go first or last? It goes first. Good job. And then our 6 and 7 can go in either spot. So 13 take away 6 equals 7. And we have one more number sentence with subtraction. We know that our 13 goes first again. Take away 7 equals 6. We just switch those 2 around. And there you have it, math magic. Number 2. We have 7, 8, and 15. First, we have 2 addition problems. Well, we know that the biggest number, which is 15, is going to go first or last? It goes last. We'll just go ahead and write both of them. And then our 7 and 8 can go in either place. 7 plus 8 equals 15, or 8 plus 7 equals 15. See how we just switch those around? They work perfectly. Now we have two subtraction problems. So our biggest number, the number 15, is going to go first or last? It goes first in both of them. Now we just need to fill in the 7 and the 8. They can go in either spot. So 15 take away 7 equals 8. And if we switch them, 15 take away 8 equals 7. It's still right. That is so much fun. And we'll go on to number 3. Our fact family is 10, 7, and 17. For our two addition problems, our biggest number is 17. So 17 is going to go last. That's right. And it will go last here too. Now our 10 and 7 can go in either spot. 10 plus 7 equals 17, or we can switch them around. 7 plus 10 also equals 17. Super. Now we've got two subtraction problems. So we take our biggest number, which is 17, and we'll put that first. Now we're going to put in the 10 and the 7, and they can go in either spot. So 17 take away 10 equals 7, or 17 take away 7 equals 10. Perfect. We'll go on to number 4, 6, 8, and 14. So our first two addition sentences are going to end with our biggest number, which is 14. The biggest number goes last for the addition part. The 6 and 8 can go in either spot, so we'll just do it like this. 6 plus 8 equals 14, and we'll switch them around. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Now we have two subtraction problems. So our biggest number, 14, is going to go first. Now we can fill in the 6 and the 8 in either spot. 14 take away 6 equals 8, or 14 take away 8 equals 6. All right, two more. Number 5, we have 7, 5, and 12. 12 is our biggest number. So in our addition sentences, 12 goes last. Good job. Now we fill in the 7 and the 5. They can go in either spot. We just need to make sure that we switch them around. So 7 plus 5 equals 12, and 5 plus 7 equals 12. Great. For our two subtraction sentences, our biggest number, 12, is going to go first. So 12 take away 7 equals 5, and 12 take away 5 equals 7. Super. We have one more, and our fact family is 5, 6, and 11. We're going to take our biggest number, 11, and for our addition sentences, we're going to put that number last. The 5 and the 6 can go in either spot. Let's switch them around. So 5 plus 6 equals 11, and 6 plus 5 equals 11. Now we have our two subtraction sentences. Our biggest number, 11, is going to go first. Our 5 and our 6 can go in either spot. So 11 take away 5 equals 6, and 11 take away 6 equals 5. Fantastic. You did a great job on fact families. Let's go on. This next section is to see how many sentences can you write using only the words in the word bank. Write the sentences on a separate sheet of paper. So we're only going to do one sentence together. If you would like to get a separate sheet of paper later on and do more sentences, you are welcome to do that. But for right now and together for our worksheet, we are only going to do one sentence. I'll pick the words. We'll use the word mom, the parks, blue, small, and car. What sentence? Actually, let's only use one adjective. Blue and small are both adjectives. We'll only use the word blue, not the word small. So what sentence can we make? We'll start with the word mom. Mom. Mom what? Mom parks. Mom parks how about the blue car? And of course our sentence needs a period at the end. Mom parks the blue car. Good job. We have our capital letter, our period, and we have a complete idea. That's a good sentence. Let's go on. Here are some calendar questions. I know that you will do great at these. We practiced calendar a lot together. Our directions are: use the calendars to answer each question. So, number 7, Julia went to the dentist on the 3rd Tuesday in May. What was the date? Well, here's the May calendar, and we want the 3rd Tuesday. Here's Tuesday. We'll go down. Here's the 1st Tuesday, which is May 7th. The 2nd Tuesday was May 14th. And the 3rd Tuesday was May 21st. So that's our answer right there. May 21st. Number 8. Heath started his dance class on the 1st Monday in June. What was the date? So here's our June calendar. We need the 1st Monday. So we look up here. Here's Monday. Go down. There's the 1st Monday. It was June 3rd. Monday, June 3rd. Next one, number 9, today is May 10th. Adam's family will see a play next Thursday. On what date will they see a play? Oh, this is challenging. So first we have to find May 10th. Here's May. Here's the 10th. Okay, and it's on a Friday. So we need to see what next Thursday will be. Well, next Friday will be the 17th. And we go back one day, because that's Thursday. So it will be the 16th. It will be Thursday, May 16th. All right, one more, number 10. How many days are between May 29th and June 5th? Well, let's go to May 29th. We'll circle that day. And June 5th, here's June 5th, circle that day. And let's count the days between May 29th and June 5th. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 days between May 29th and June 5th. Super. Let's go on. Here's just a fun little question. What do you think is the most difficult part about being a parent? So this is getting us thinking about our moms and our dads, grandmas, grandpas, somebody that takes care of us. What do you think is the most difficult part about that? Do you think it's cooking, cleaning, taking care of everybody, making sure everybody is safe? What is the most difficult part? Well, I know when my children were really small, when they were babies, sometimes I had to get up a lot at night, and not being able to sleep was very difficult. So for me as a parent, it was not being able to sleep. I'm not going to write that down. You can write down whatever answer you think, or if you would like to leave it blank, you can do that too. Maybe just talk about it with your parent. Ask your parent, what is the most difficult part of being a parent? Or ask your grandparent, what is the most difficult part about being a grandparent? All right, that's it, and I will see you next time.